27,457. Okay. Now, what is the real one? How much the real one? 33, correct. So this is the real one. So you subtract the estimate or the real from the estimate, what you're gonna get? What's the difference? 476. Is it underestimate or above estimate? Underestimate. So this one is underestimate. Is this clear? So both of them underestimate. So you have two models, and the two models give you that. Now let's go for B. Use model 1 to determine when tuition and fees at the private 4-year colleges will average 35,375. Okay. The average cost will be 35,375 for the school year ending. Now he wants to know what school ending will be. So in this case, I'm gonna rewrite the formula, okay? But this time, I know the total cost. How much the total cost for tuition? 35? 375 equal what? 80 times what? 801, okay? Times what?
Times X.
Exactly, okay? Let me just make it clear here. So it's gonna be 801 times X plus 14,549. That's the model. Remember, this is your model. Model what? Model 1. So this is equal this. So I'm gonna move this number to where? To the left side. So you get 801x equal what? 35,375 minus 14,549. Subtract this from this, what are you going to get? Yalla, by the calculator.
20,826.
Exactly. And you need to get rid of the 801. What should I do? Divide by what?
801.
For both sides, right?
Yes.
So that cancel with this, and you cancel this, you get how much? By x equal 26. What is 26? Year 2000? 26. So year 2026, this is the cost of your tuition. Is how much? $35,375 a year for 4 years. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Do you have any question? Any inquiry about this? No? It's okay?
It's okay.
Let's go for number 2. Read ya Turkey.
Fill in the blank so that the wrestling statement is true. A counselor persuade a computer after a 21% price reduction. The fix response the computer's original price. The redesigned price can be
Reduce. Price.
Price can be
represented by. So let's take a look at this step by step. If you go to IKEA or Carrefour and they tell you there is 5% discount, and you buy an item for 1 riyal, how much are you going to pay for the item? How much are you going to pay? This is the discount. How much discount? 5%. So how much are you going to pay for the item? 95 cent or halal, right? Okay. What if you are buying for 100 riyal? How much are you going to pay? 95 riyal. What about if it's 1,000 riyal? 950. What if it's 5% and you don't know how much how much the cost? X. So in this case, what you're going to multiply?
6
You're going to multiply times what?
times 5.
Which is what?
Times
The discount is how much?
21.
5%, right?
Yeah.
So if the discount is 5%, what is left?
The cost.
What is the cost?
95 cents.
95% X. Okay, because 5% is discount. How much you paying for the product? 95%. Okay, type. If your discount is 21%, okay, this is the real one now. If your discount is 21%, how much you will be paying? You know, what's the product price? X. So what are you gonna pay? 79 what? Of the price of the item. So that's the answer. Which one is the answer? 0.79x.
Okay.
Is this clear?
You don't have to get the real price.
If the price is like 1 real, how much you're gonna pay?
79 cents.
79. If it's 100 real,
79.
real. 79 real. Okay, is this clear?
So clear.
Question number 2. Read ya Muhammad.
Determine
Three.
Question number 3.
Determine.
Whether the relation is a function given the domain and the range of the relation.
Okay. So we have this aside. Is a function, is a relation, is a function or not function?
Function.
Let's see. So here, take a look at, this is order pair. This is called what? What is it called this? Order pair. Okay. We don't know what type of relation. It could be a function or not function. So how can I know? By looking at x. Is x is repeated here?
No.
The answer is no, not repeated, right? If it's not repeated, then that means what?
That function.
It's a function, right?
Yes.
So yes, it's a
Function.
function. Next question. So we are done with number 1. We said yes. Number 2, what is the domain?
The domain, all the x.
All the x values. What is the x values?
4.
4, 5, 6. The range is what?
The range.
Y. How much?
2, 5, 6.
2, 5, 6. Where you get it from here? Okay. Yeah, let's go for the next one. Number 4. He's giving you here 2 equations. Or 2 functions. The first function, x squared. The second function, x squared plus 3. So what we're going to do is just put a values. He already gave you the value. He said try 0. So 0 for x, how much is for y? 0. Negative 1 for x, how much is y?
1.
Negative 2 for 0, how much is y?
4.
1, how much is y?
1.
2x, how much is y?
4.
4. So you get the numbers. Notice that it's 0 is the middle number, right? The above is 1 and 4, and the bottom is 1 and 4. So 0, 0. Where is 0 and 0? Let's put the numbers. Okay. Where is 0 and 0?
In the middle.
In the middle here. What's the next number? Negative 1.
Negative 2, 2, 4.
Negative 1 and 1. So you put it here. Okay. You have the numbers, right? Everybody has the numbers. And what's the next number?
Negative 2.
So we put here negative 1 and
1.
1. What's the next number?
Negative 2. With
Negative 2 and
4.
4. And on the right side?
On the right side, we have 1 with 1. -1.
On the right side, how much here?
1 and 1.
1 and 1.
2
And
with 4.
here is what? 2 and
4.
4. And then you graph it with the points, and then you connect the points together. So that's, we finish with
First,
the first one. What's the first one?
y
Y equal
equal x squared.
square. That's the first one, right?
Yes.
What about the second one?
The second one, x squared plus 3.
So we're gonna make the table.
Yes.
Same table as we did before. So let's go down. So what are the points now? It's written in the tables. It's 0 and 3. Remember here, our function here, g of x equal what? X squared plus 3. So if it's 3, if it's 0, how much is y? G? 3. 3. G of negative 1, how much? 4. G of negative 2?
7.
G of 1?
4.
G of 2?
7.
7. And then you go to the right side here and you plot the graph, the one on the top. So this one is going to be y equal x squared plus what? Plus 3. Plus what? 3. Is this clear? Yes? And then you grab the blue one. Clear or not clear?
Clear.
Now, take a look at the vertex point. Where is the vertex point? In the bottom here, right? Okay. So if this is a vertex point and this is a vertex point, how far it is from what happened here? I shifted up or down? Up. It goes up how many? 3 units. So you say up how many? 3 units. Is this clear? Did you graph it? Yalla, graph it. I will stop the recording and so we give you time to graph.